Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your altimeter units on your Garmin Instinct 2 watch. Now I've got the Instinct 2 Solar. It shouldn't matter whether you've got the Solar or non-Solar. This video should work the same for everybody. I'll also say this is also something you could do on the Instinct 1. The only real difference between the two is on the Instinct 2 we can do it on the watch or we can do it on our Garmin Connect app and sync the changes over to our watch, whereas the Instinct 1 you would have to do this setting on the watch. So what exactly are we talking about? I've got a watch face here that is showing my altimeter reading, and you can see that I've got mine shown in feet. Now there's various different ways you can look at the altimeter on this watch. The other thing you could do is you could have the altimeter glance. I'm going to go ahead and go to my glance list, and you can see the glance kind of shows me the same thing as we saw on the watch face. 246 feet. If I go into the glance, I can also see the last 4 hours of my altimeter readings. 237 has been my low, 247 has been my high. What if you want to change that? What if you don't want to see it in feet, you want to see it in meters? Let's go back to the watch face. There's a few different ways we can get to this setting. I'm going to walk you through the basic way, which is through the actual settings, and then I'm going to show you the easier way. I'm going to press and hold the middle button on the left-hand side. That's our menu button. That'll take us into our menu. Once we get into the menu, we can use either the up or down button. I'm going to use the up button because we need to go to System, and that's at the bottom of our list. Once we get to System, we're going to press the top right button to go into System. Under System, again, we can use the up or down button on the left-hand side. We need to go down to Format. Again, I'm going to press the top right button to select Format. The very first option you should see under Format is Units. I'm going to press the top right button to select Units. And if you look under your units, one of the options you will have is for elevation. That's going to be your altimeter value. Mine is set to feet. I can switch that and change it to meters. Once I've got it changed accordingly, I can press the back button several times to get back to my main watch face. You can always press and hold the menu button. That'll take you back to your watch face. And you'll notice that now my altimeter is showing in meters versus feet. So it's pretty simple. That's how you can change your units. The other way I wanted to show you that you can get to this is if you've got the altimeter glance installed. I'm going to go ahead and go to my altimeter, and I'm going to go into the altimeter. When you're in the glance, if you press and hold the menu button, you will see an option that comes up for altimeter options. You can press the GPS button to select that. Under your altimeter options, you will see the same thing we just saw before. Elevation, I can press the GPS button and I can change it in here as well. All this is just a shortcut to the unit setting from your altimeter instead of going all the way through the settings. Again, if you wanted to switch it back to feet, I'm going to switch mine back to feet. Go ahead and press the back button and you will see your altimeter will show those changes in all places, whether you're looking at the glance or whether you're looking at the data field. Pretty simple stuff. Again, if you've got the Instinct 2, you could also do this setting on your cell phone and sync the changes over. I hope the video helps. If it does, maybe you'll think about subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.